Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Navigation Bar of MediTrak and all its features. I'm also going to show you the menu bar, which performs similar functions as the navigation bar, and how to switch between the two. The navigation bar is a primary tool which enables you to perform various tasks on MediTrak. It shows you the different modules, their sub-menus, and gives you access to all other features and functions in MediTrak. On your left is the navigation bar. It shows you all the menus. You can see outpatient, patient records, and the rest. When you click on each module, it shows you all the sub-menus under that module. Click on the collapse button to show or hide all sub-menus under each module. In the search field, type the name of a feature and it will quickly locate the feature in the relevant module. Click on the auto hide button to make the navigation bar disappear automatically to give you more working space. You can switch to the menu bar mode by clicking on File, click on My Preferences, select Menu Bar, click Save Changes, and everything will switch to the menu bar mode. In the menu bar mode, all modules appear as menus at the top of the screen, with the sub-menus appearing as drop-down menus under each module when you click on the menu. That is how you use the navigation bar and the menu bar functionalities of MediTrak. Thank you. MediTrak, a first-class affordable software solution to manage a modern-day hospital, provides greater visibility, reduces waste, increases revenue, and improves patient care delivery. Contact us at hello@panus.cm.